National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brooklyn, Queens County, Manhattan, Bronx County, Southern Bergen County, Hudson County, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Union City, or near Secaucus, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Astoria, Triborough Bridge, RFK Bridge at Mott Haven by 5:15 p.m., Flushing, Jackson Heights, LaGuardia Airport in Forest Hills by 5:20 p.m., Flushing and Whitestone by 5:25 p.m. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Hudson, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Queens. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey: Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex and Eastern Essex, and the following areas in New York: Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, and Bronx. Strong thunderstorm will impact Bronx,